Malaysia Hindu Sangam, a representative body of Malaysian Hindu community, has been at the lead in taking on matters affecting the community, besides coordinating Hindu religious activities and education since its inception in 1965. It has been representing both local and global Hindu community as a member of the World Hindu Federation. In the interest of expanding the service and setting a milestone in the reclamation of Hinduism in Malaysia and Southeast Asia as a whole, Malaysia Hindu Sangam proposes the Hindu College and Sri Jagannatha Ashram. The mission of the Hindu College and Sri Jagannatha Ashram is to conduct training for religious teachers, Oduvars and temple administrators, besides providing basic Hinduism knowledge with the objective of promoting spiritual growth among Malaysian Hindus. Its functions will operate towards the vision of becoming the premier Hindu educational institution in Malaysia. The institution will steer towards the goals of offering certificates and diploma courses in Hinduism and allied subjects, to train the trainers and teachers of Hinduism and allied subjects, to train Tirumurai Oduvars and Tirumurai teachers, and to be a resource center for Hinduism and allied subjects. The location of the proposed Hindu College and Sri Jagannatha Ashram is at Tapa, Perak, where the land belongs to the Jagannatha Ashram that was donated to Malaysia Hindu Sangam in the 1998. Situated along the trunk road from Ipoh to Kuala Lumpur, the land is accessible through the North-South Expressway via Tapa exit, where Kampar town is in the north and Bidor town is in the south. The Jagannatha Ashram and the temple adjoining the land, which is in dilapidated condition, will be renovated as a retreat and meditation center. The existing temple was built on the Samadhi of Jagannatha Swamigal. Jagannatha Swamigal was born in the year 1814 on the Hindu month of Thai in Purinagar, Kolkata, India. After the age of 18, he lived in Chittagong, Burma and later reached Malaysia through Thailand at the age of 30. He performed his penance in the cow farm in the village of Alorstar, Langkawi and several other places for many years before moving to Tapa, where he built an 8 feet long cottage in the thick forest near to the Chinese cemetery and lived his penance life for 75 years. 3 months prior to his Samadhi, Jagannatha Swamigal announced the exact day he will attain Samadhi, and the works on building the Samadhi began. Living a span of 145 years, Jagannatha Swamigal attained Samadhi on the auspicious day of Thaipusam, 25th of January 1959 at 4:30 am. The proposed renovation of the temple will see a state-of-the-art design in construction, transforming the decaying temple, and a new statue of Sri Jagannatha Swami replacing the existing statue. The proposed construction of the Hindu College is a 3-story building with associated infrastructures on the 2.5-acre land adjacent to the existing Jagannatha Ashram. The construction plan of the Hindu College comprises 3 floors, where the ground floor will have a large column-free, multi-purpose hall to accommodate 400 people, a general office, toilets, and 2 units of living quarters. The first floor will have 6 classrooms which can facilitate 500 students at the same time and will be fully equipped with latest teaching aids. Finally, the second floor will have a hostel to accommodate 90 students where the male and female blocks are separated. The idea of constructing a Hindu college in Malaysia was conceived by Malaysia Hindu Sangam a decade ago when a land belonging to the Jagannatha Ashram in Tapah Perak was donated to Malaysia Hindu Sangam in the 1998. In 2009, Malaysia Hindu Sangam initiated the construction of Hindu college on this rural land, facing many hurdles to obtain vacant possessions from the several trespassers and to convert the land from agricultural land to religious use has taken up almost a decade. Now, the land is ready for the construction of the Hindu college and is expected to be realized within the next 3 years. Building an educational institution is a monumental task. Hence, Malaysia Hindu Sangam seeks the goodwill, blessings and generous donations from the Hindu community to bring the Hindu college into a realization.